we're asked to determine each composition of functions given f of x equals 2x minus 1 and g of x equals x squared minus 4. We first have f of g of x, which we rewrite using the alternate form shown here below, which is still f of g of x. Now we begin with the innermost function g of x, and since we don't have a numerical input for g of x, we substitute the function rule for g of x, which is x squared minus 4, which gives us f of the quantity x squared minus 4. Again, because we did not have a numerical input for the inner function g of x, we substituted the function rule for g of x, which again is x squared minus 4. Now the function rule for g of x becomes the input into f of x, and since f of x is equal to 2x minus 1, we substitute x squared minus 4 for x, which gives us 2 times the quantity x squared minus 4 minus 1. And now we clear the parentheses by distributing and then combine like terms. 2 times x squared is 2x squared. 2 times negative 4 is negative 8, giving us minus 8, and then minus 1, which simplifies to 2x squared minus 9. F of g of x is equal to 2x squared minus 9. Next we have g of f of x, which we write using the alternate form, which is still g of f of x, but in a different form. Again, because we don't have a numerical value to sub into the inner function f of x, we substitute the function rule for f of x, which is 2x minus 1, which gives us g of the quantity 2x minus 1. And now the function rule for f of x becomes the input into g of x, and since g of x equals x squared minus 4, we substitute 2x minus 1 for x, which gives us the square of 2x minus 1, and then minus 4. Now we need to multiply this out and combine like terms. To multiply it out, we write out 2 factors of 2x minus 1, and multiply, and then subtract 4. To multiply 2 binomials, we have 4 products, 1, 2, 3, 4. 2x times 2x is 4x squared. And then we have 2x times negative 1, which is negative 2x. The next product is negative 1 times 2x, which is also negative 2x. Negative 2x plus negative 2x is negative 4x, giving us minus 4x. And then negative 1 times negative 1 is positive 1, giving us plus 1. And then we have minus 4. Combining like terms, we have 4x squared minus 4x, and 1 minus 4 is negative 3, giving us minus 3. G of f of x is equal to 4x squared minus 4x minus 3. I hope you found this helpful.